Question number 1 we are discussing now. The question is, the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median of the data. So when some data is given to you, we have to find out the median of this data. Here monthly consumption in units it was given 65 units to 85 units. Four consumers are using 65 to 85 units. Five consumers are using 85 to 105 units. Like that, four consumers are using 185 units to 205 units power. These people are consuming monthly. This data with for this data we need to find out the median. In finding the median, apart from these class intervals and frequencies, we need one more column, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative Cumulative frequency means addition of frequencies only, that to previous value we have to add. Here 4 before nothing is there, the same 4 we will copy. Now this, when we are going to the next line, 4 plus 5, 4 plus, so this 4, the previous answer plus this one, 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So this is cumulative frequency. Next, when you go to the third line, 4 plus 5 plus 13, already 4 plus 5 we have here 9, the same 9 you copy here, plus in this line 13 is at this frequency, 9 plus 13 is 22. Otherwise if you write like this also you'll get 22. 4 plus 5 plus 13, instead of writing three numbers I am writing only 4 plus 5 we got 9, that 9 previous sum plus that line frequency, altogether 9 plus 13 is 22. Next previous sum is 22, that 22 I am writing here, and in this line 20 is there, so that 20 I am writing. 22 plus 20 is 42. Next previous sum is 42 plus this line 14 is there, that 14 we are writing. 2 plus 4 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5. Previous sum is 42 plus this line frequency is 14, 42 plus 14 is 56. Next this previous sum 56, addition of all these 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14, we got 56, plus in this line 8 is there, 56 plus 8 is 64. Now addition from this cumulative frequency 4 to 8, sum is 64, so that addition is 64, plus in this line frequency is 4, 64 plus 4 is 68. Next, total number of consumers are given as 68. Let us check. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 13 is 22, plus 20 is 42, plus 10 52, plus 4 56, plus 4 60, plus 8 68. This is total frequency. Total frequency we got 68. Now if your cumulative frequency, have you done the cumulative frequency correct or not checking process? This ending number of cumulative frequency must be equal to the total frequency, then we can get the confirmation that we have done correct cumulative frequency calculation. Next, here total frequency how much we got? 68. That I am representing with letter n. Here n is equal to 68. After finding n, you need to find out n by 2. N by 2 is means n value 68. 68 divided by 2. So when you divide 68 with 2, you will get 34. This 34 is the deciding factor of median class. So 34. Observe this number. This number is 34. This 34, more than 34 in cumulative frequency values, in all these values, which are the numbers more than 34? Let us try to see. 42 is more than 34, 56 is more than 34, 64 is more than 34, 68 is more than 34. In all those, which is just bigger to 34, that we have to see. Just bigger to 34 is 42. 42 is just bigger to. These all the numbers are more than 34, which is just bigger that we have to identify. Just bigger is 42. These all are smaller. We need only more values more than 34, 42, 56, 64, 68. In this, which is just bigger, just nearer to 34, that is 42. 42 straight towards which is the class. This is called median class. Therefore, we can write 34 lies in this 34 lies in which class? 125 to 145. Therefore, median class is equals to median class is equals to 125 to 145. After declaration of median class, in your mind, formula should be there. The form is L plus in bracket n by 2 minus cumulative frequency Cf divided by f into h. If this formula is there with us, we can find out the requirements. H. Now let us see what is meant by L. L for lower limit of L means lower limit of. So many lower limits are there: 65, 85, 105, 125, 145, 165, 185. So many lower limits are there. In all those, median class lower limit only we want. Lower limit of median class. Median class lower limit. So this is the median class. So this is the median class. In this lower limit is 125, upper limit is 145. We need only lower limit. This is 125. Lower limit is fixed. Next H. H means class size. Class size. Every class size we have to see that 65 to 85. 85 minus 65 20. 105 minus 85 is 20. 125 105 difference is 20. 125 145 difference is 20. 145 165 difference is 20. 165 to 185 difference is 20. 185 to 205 difference is 20. So therefore we can decide that h value is class size is 20. Next, n by 2 is already there. N by 2 value is 34. I am not writing here. CF. CF means this point you have to be very much careful. Here most of the students will commit the mistake here only. CF means C for cumulative, cumulative, F for frequency. Okay. Here cumulative frequency, so many are there: 4, 9, 22, 42, 56, 64, 68. So many cumulative frequencies are there. Out of all cumulative frequencies, which one is the requirement? Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Median class before class. Median class before class cumulative frequency is our required CF. Here it is 22. Be very careful. Median class before class cumulative frequency is CF. Many students will write that 42 as CF. No, not 42. We have to see that median class, preceding class, cumulative frequency is CF. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is equals to, so what is it? 22. That we have to write. Be very careful. That's why I kept here star mark. Your only mistake will be there in identifying CF. Next remaining is F. F for frequency. F for frequency. So many frequencies are there: 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. These all are frequencies only. Which frequency we not? We need median frequency only. We need median frequency is 20. This is the value of F. So F value is what? Frequency of median class. Median class frequency is 20. frequency of median class is equals to 20. Next, after writing all these values, we need to substitute here. L value. What is the value of L? L is 125. 125 plus bracket open n by 2. N by 2 value is 34 minus cumulative frequency. CF value is 22. The 22 will write here divided by F value is 20. So instead of F, I am writing 20. Bracket close. Multiplication symbol H. H value is 20. So that 20 we are writing here. Substitution only 125 plus 34 minus 22. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 12 divided by 20 into 20. This 20 is 20, we can cancel with 20 only. 21 time, 21 time. The next step is 125 plus 12 by 1 is 12 only. 12 into 1 is 12. 125 plus 12. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is 1. 137. This is median. Median lies in median class. So in between 125 and 145, 137 will come. So this refers to monthly consumption that should be expressed in units. So that is why I am writing the answer as 137 units. Question number 4. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured corrected to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So 118 to 126 millimeter. How many leaves are there? 3 leaves are there. Like that, 172 to 180 millimeter. 2 leaves are there. This is the data given in our table. Let us first observe that are they continuous classes or not. Here, this first class interval is ending with 126. Second class interval is starting it with the 127. There is some gap. They are not called as continuous classes. So if it is ending with 126, if the second class is starting with 126, then here the ending value here and the starting value should be same, then only they are called as continuous classes. So in 10th class we are having only continuous classes discussion. So the data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. For finding the median, we need to convert the data into continuous classes. Since the formula assumes continuous classes, so the formula is made for continuous class only. That's why we need to convert this discontinuous class to continuous classes. How to convert the discontinuous classes to continuous classes? That I am going to tell you now. See here, solution, length in millimeter. This is the first column. Lower limit, lower limit minus 0.5. 118 minus 0.5. If you do, what you are going to get? 117.5. To to convert the discontinuous classes to continuous classes, all the lower limits minus 0.5 we have to do. All the upper limit plus 0.5 we have to do. 126 plus 0.5 is 126.5. Same way, from 127 we need to subtract 0.5. You are going to get 126.5. Next, upper limit plus 0.5. So 135 plus 0.5 is 135.5. Next, 136 minus 0.5, that is 135.5. 144 plus 0.5, that is 144.5. Next, minus 0.5. 145 minus 0.5 is 144.5. 153 plus 0.5 is 153.5. 154 minus 0.5 is 153.5. This is plus 0.5. Right side value is plus 0.5. 162.5. 163 minus 0.5 is 162.5. This is plus 0.5. 171 plus 0.5 is 171.5. This is minus 0.5, we have to do it. 172 minus 0.5 is 171.5, and this is plus 0.5, 180.5. Next, number of leaves. Number of leaves. How many leaves are there? 3, 5. There is no change here. 3, 5, and this one 9. Next is 12, 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2. Now if you observe this table, here it is ending with 126.5. Next class is starting with 126.5. This is ending with 135.5. Next class is starting with 135.5. Where the previous class is ending, the next class, the succeeding class is starting with the same number. So these are called continuous classes. Now we have converted this discontinuous classes to continuous classes. It is very easy, like our previous question only. What we need to do? Cumulative frequency we have to find. In finding the median, cumulative frequency is useful. They are asking us to find out median length of leaves. So median we need to find. That's why cumulative frequency is required. Cumulative frequency, how to find out? Just addition of the previous frequencies. All the frequencies addition cumulatively we have to do. So 3 before nothing is there, 3 will be 3 only. And this is 5 before 3. So this previous 3 plus 5, altogether 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next 3 plus 5 plus 9. So instead of adding 3 plus 5 one more time, directly we got 3 plus 5 is 8. That 8 we will write the previous answer plus that line frequency. 8 plus 9 is 17. Next, previous sum, that is 17. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. So previous sum is 17, plus in that line 12 is there. 17 plus 12 is 29. Previous sum is 29, plus in that line frequency 5 is there. 29 plus 5 is 34. Previous sum is 34, plus this is 4. 34 plus 4 is 38, and previous sum is 38, plus in this line frequency is 2. Frequencies 38 plus 2 is 40. This, in this way we have to find out the cumulative frequency. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 9 17, plus 10 27, plus 2 29, plus 5 34, plus 4 38, plus 2 40. In question there are totally 40 leaves are there, so that is satisfying. 40 leaves, this is total. If you are observing, this 40 is n value. Here n is equal to number of leaves, total number of leaves. How many? Total frequency is 40. That implies n by 2 will be 40 divided by 2, that equal to 20. So this 20 will help us in identifying the median class. So more than, now this 20, you think about this 20. More than 20 in cumulative frequencies, how many values are there? Let us find. So this is less than 20, this is less than 20, this is less than 20, this is more than 20, more than 20, more than 20, more than 20. So these are the 4 values more than 20. In that, just bigger, just nearer to 20 is, out of all these 4, these all 4 values are more than 20. In this, which is nearer to that? 29 is uh, nearer to 20, comparing to 34, 38 and 40. So this 29 straight towards which is the class interval is there, that is called median class. So I can write 20 lies in which class? 20 is lying in which class? Even though it is 29, we are not having 20, this is up to 17 only. So 17 after and up to 29 will lie in this class. So that is why we are writing that 20 lies in 144.5 to 153.5. This lies in this class. Therefore, median class is equal to, median class is equals to 144.5 to 153.5. After identification of median class, we will write what are the requirements in substituting the formula. L is L for lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class. So in this lower limit is 144.5. This is upper limit. We want only lower limit. Next n by 2 is already there. L plus n by 2 minus CF. H means class size. Each and every class size is same. You can observe 117 to 126.170.5 to 126.5. Difference if you find 9 is the difference. Now how much is the difference? Let us find out the difference between these two. 117.5. 5 minus 5 0. 16 minus 7 is 9. This is 11. So 9.0 means 9. Here also 9 difference is there. 9 difference, 9 difference, 9 difference. Everywhere 9 difference. So that we can write class size is 9. After this we need to write CF, which is very important. In identifying CF only students will get confusion. CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. The words are telling us median class preceding class. Median class preceding class is this one. In this one CF is what? This 17. Median class preceding class cumulative frequency is 17. This is CF. So CF value will be 17. Next we have to write F for frequency. Frequency of what? Frequency of median class. Median class frequency. So this is the median class, that one straight towards frequency. This is F value is 12. After that we have to write the formula. Median formula is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF by F into H. L value is 144.5. 144.5 plus in bracket n by 2. n by 2 is 20 we got here. That is 20 minus CF value. CF value is 17 divided by F. F value is 12 into H. H value is 9. Next simplification. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17. 20 minus 17 is 3 divided by 12. This multiplication after what is there? 9 is there. 3 by 12. When you divide 3 with the 12, 3 one time, with 3 we are cancelling 3 one time, 3 4 times. 1 into 9 is 144.5 plus 1 into 9 is 9 divided by 4. When you divide 9 with 4, what we are going to get? Let us see in rough work. With 4 we are dividing 9. 4 2s are 8. 1 left, point 0. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 left. Point, if you consider 0 will come 4 5 times 20. So 20 minus 20 will be 0. So 2.25 is the answer. 144.5 plus 2.25. 9 by 4. When you divide 9 with 4, the answer is 2.25 that we are writing. Let us add this 144.5. 144.5 with this is nothing is there here. This is 5 plus 2 7 point, for this point 4 plus 2 6, again this is 14. When you are adding 144 whole number with whole number, this is point before whole number part, point after decimal part. So 144 plus 2 is 146. Then this 5 point after digit, point after digit. 5 plus 2, this is 7. And next 5. 146.75 is the median. So they are talking about median length of leaves. So we have to write median length of leaves. Median length of leaves equal to 146.75. Everything is in millimeter. So this also to be expressed in millimeter. Question number 2. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. So median is given as 28.5. Median is given to us. We need to find out the values of x and y. Here in frequencies, some values are not given. Instead of that value, x is given. Here another value, y is given. So these are the missing frequencies. We need to find out x value as well as y value. And here hint is what? Median value is given as 28.5. So this question is, if you observe this question in the examination, you have to feel that this is related to median question. Then how to find out the median, we will see now. Same process, regularly how we will do, like that only we will find this median. Already median is there. We have to find out the values of x and y. Class interval as it is, frequency as it is, we have to write. Solution directly I am writing from here. In solution we have to write, copy this class interval as it is, frequency also as it is. Next one thing is to be added, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is to be added to this. Okay. 5 before nothing is there, so that 5. This now in this line x is there, before that 5 is there. So this 5 plus x, previous number is to be added. Next for this 20, 5 plus x plus 20, 5 plus x plus 20. 5 plus 20 is 25 plus x. Now previous addition, that 25 plus x, this value plus in this line 15 is there. 25 plus 15 is 40 plus x. Now previous addition, 40 plus x plus in this line y is there, y. Now this previous addition is 40 plus x plus y plus what is there, this 5. So altogether what you are going to get, 40 plus 5 is 45 plus x plus y. I told you in the first question, whatever the total frequency, that must be equal to the cumulative frequency ending value. So this concept we have to utilize from table, from table 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. That implies x plus y is equal to 60. This plus 45, if you transpose, it will become as minus 45. So that you will get x plus y is equals to 60 minus 45 is 15. Say this one as first equation. Next, like first question, we can't identify the median class here. Reason, here you can observe that cumulative frequencies based on that here n value. Let us see that here n value is what? Total frequency 60. That implies n by 2 will be 60 by 2. That is 30. So based on that 30, by using this 30, we can't identify. If you know the value of x, then only we can see that that 30 is here or somewhere else. So that this n by 2 is not helpful in identifying the median class like our first question. So that we can see median value. Median value is what? 28.5. Given median is equals to 28.5. We know that median lies in median class. So 28.5 will come in which class that you identify. So in between 20 and 30, common sense we have to use. In between 20 and 30 only 28.5 will come. So this median is given to us, already given in the question. So median lies in median class. That's why 28.5 lying in between which two numbers, that is called median class. So that median class will be 20 to 30. Therefore, uh, this 28.5 lies in which class? 20 to 30. In between 20 and 30 in numbers, in between 20 and 30, 28.5 will come. That is why this 28.5 lies in 20 to 30 class. Therefore, median class will be what? Median class is equals to 20 to 30. After identifying the median class, we have to write L value. L is equals to lower limit of median class. What is the lower limit of median class? This is 20. Next, n by 2 value is already there. CF, H, first we'll write H. H means class size. These are continuous classes. 10 ending, 10 starting. So there is no problem. Continuous class only. So class size. Class size will be 0, 10 difference is 10, difference is 10, difference is 10, 30, 40 difference is 10, 40, 50 difference is 10, 50, 60 difference is 10. So that class size is 10. L is over, n by 2 is over. CF, this is important one. CF, students will commit the mistake here only. CF means cumulative cumulative frequency of the class. Students will write median class cumulative frequency, but we should not write class median class frequency cumulative frequency. We have to write cumulative frequency previous class. That means preceding class. Class preceding the median class. So median class preceding class cumulative frequency. Median class preceding class is 10 to 20. That one cumulative frequency is CF. So here CF is 5 plus x. So that is equal to 5 plus x we can write. The CF is clear. F. F means F for frequency. F for frequency. Frequency of which class? Median class. Median class frequency we have to write. So median class is 20 to 30. That one frequency is 20. This is the value of F. F is equals to 20. Next we have to write the formula of median. Median is equals to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency of median class into H. Let us substitute all the values what are there with us. This is first we are observing median. Median value it was given here. Median is 28.5. That's why you write median in place of median you write 28.5. L value is 20. So that L is 20. L after plus symbol is there. Then bracket open n by 2. N by 2 value is 30 minus cumulative frequency CF value is 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Yeah, this is not single term, two terms are there. That's a CF value is having two terms, more than one term is there. So keep the bracket, keep them in bracket. F value is 20, bracket close, into H value is 10. Next, this plus 20, if we transpose to left hand side, it will become as minus 20. 28.5 minus 20 is equals to, what is there in the bracket? 30 is there. Minus into plus is minus this 5. Again minus into plus is minus this x we have tried. So with the minus symbol we are multiplying this 5 as well as x. So minus into here this is plus 5, minus into plus is minus, and this 5 minus into plus is minus this x. So in bracket if we are having positive values, before the bracket if we are having negative, those all the positives will become as negative, negatives will become as positive. Since these are both are positives, so that is a positive 5 will become as a negative 5, positive x will become as negative x divided by 20 into 10. So with the 10 we can cancel 10 one time, 10 two times. So 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5 is equals to 30 minus 5 is 25 minus what is there, x divided by 2. Into 1 means the same value will be there. So 2 is dividing, if it transpose to left hand side it will multiply this 8.5, 8.5 into 2 is equals to 25 minus x. So 8.5 2 times, 8 and half 2 times means that is 17. So 17 is equal to 25 minus x. We need plus x. So minus x you transpose to left hand side, so that it will become as plus x. Already 25 is there. If you transfer this plus 17 to right hand side, it will become as minus 17. So x value is, out of the 25 if you subtract 17 you will get 8. So we got the value of x as 8. We need x value and y value. Y value from where we will get? So in first equation this is a relation between x and y. So in this first equation if you substitute this x value 8, you will get the value of y. Put x equal to what we got, 8, in which equation? In equation 1. So what is the equation 1? X plus y equal to 15. I am writing here x plus y is equal to 15. X value 8. So x value 8. In the place of x 8 will come. Y value we don't know, that equal to 15. So that y is equal to 15. Is plus 8, if you transpose it will become as minus 8. Value of y is 15 minus 8 is 7. Finally we can conclude that x value 8 and y value is 7. Question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. There are totally 100 policy holders are their age distribution. Yes, done. Calculate the median age. So we need to find out median only. Here one hint is there. We need to find out median. If policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So minimum is 18 years of age, maximum is 60 years of age to give the policy. So let us try to solve. If you observe this question, are you able to identify the class intervals? There are no class intervals. Just some information is there. Below 20 years of age, two policy holders are there. Below 25 years of age, six policy holders are there. Below 60, all are coming under below 60 only. So below 60, total policy holders, that is 100 policy holders are there. Now how to convert this below 20, below 25 into class intervals? I will make you to learn now. Solution. First we have to write a class interval or age in years. So 20 below. Its maximum limit is 20, upper limit is 20. Below 25. In this class, upper limit, maximum limit is 25. Below 30. So in this class, 30 will be the upper limit. In this class, below 35 means 35 is maximum, means upper limit is 35. Next is 40, like that only. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We will write 45, 50, 55. Last is 60. Next we have to write the lower limit. Easy technique. Here 55 ending, this one will be 55 starting. Here 50 is ending, next class will be 50 start. 45 is ending, next class will be 45. 40 is ending, 40 starting. So here 35 ending, in this class 35 starts. 30 is ending is 30, starting will be 30 in this class. Ending is 25, starting will be 25, ending is 20, here starting will be 20. So here some doubt will be there. If you are observing that the difference between these lower limits is, any two lower limits is 5, 5 difference, 5 difference, 5 difference, 55 minus 5 50, 50 minus 5 is 45, minus 5 40, minus 5 35, 35 minus 5 30, 30 minus 5 is 25, 25 minus 5 is 20, so that I can select this one as 15. So 15 to 20 years. Now next is, we have to write number of policy holders. Be very careful, we should not write these values. Actually below 22 people are there, below 25 6 people are there, below 25 means in this 6 these two people also there, below 30 means, below 25 people will come, below 25, in that below 25 anyway 20 people are there, means when you are taking below 25, that is enough. So in below 30 below 25 will be there, in below 35 below 30 will be there, in below 40 below 45 will be there. So we need a particular limitation. If you want, just we have to subtract the previous one. When you are finding the, actually if you are observing, this total members are 100 and ending value is 100, means this is not frequency, these are given as cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequencies are given to us, the last value is matching with the total number of policy holders. That means these are cumulative frequencies. So cumulative frequencies are given, we need to find out frequencies. When frequencies are given, cumulative frequencies, how we are finding, just we are adding the previous addition to the present number. Same here, what we have to do, we have to do reverse, there addition, here subtraction. Here 2 before nothing is there to subtract, so 2 will be 2. Next 6 minus 2, what we have to do, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Next 24 minus 6, previous number is to be subtracted, 24 minus 6 is 18. Next 30 to 35 years, 30 to 35 years means in this only, in this range only we want 30 to 35, so that below 35 all members are 45 are there, we don't want this below 30, how many are there, we don't want, below 30 how many are there, this 24, so that is why these 24 people are to be subtracted. We need only 30 to 35, below 35 means below 30 people also will come, so we need only 30 to 35. 30 to 35 means in this only we want, in this between. So 24 to 45 difference is what, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. 35 to 40 we want, so below 40 means 78, these all 45 members, previously 45 members also will come. So from the 78 we need to subtract this 45 people. 78 minus 45, 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. 40 to 45, below 45 all the people are 89 are there, we don't want all the 89, we want only 40 to 45. 40 to 45 means in between 40 to 45, so below 40 people we don't want, below 40 people 78 are there, so 78 are to be subtracted, 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1. Next 45 50, 45 to 50 years only we want, below 50 92 people are there, below 50 92, we need only 45 to 50, so below 45 people we don't want, below 45 89 are there, so those 89 people are not required, so 92 minus 89 is 3. Next 50 to 55 is needed, below 55 altogether 98 people are there, so this 98 people we need only 50 to 55, so below 50 people 92 are there, these 92 are not required, 98 minus 92 is not required, means subtraction we have to do. 55 to 60 only we want, below 60 all 100 people are there, we need only only 55 years to 60 years of age, how many people are there, so below 55 we don't want, so above 55 only we want, below 55 all these 98 people are not required, so 100 minus 98 is 2. So one simple logic I wanted to tell you here, 6 minus 2 4, 24 minus 6 18, 45 minus 24 21, 78 minus 45 33, 89 minus 78 11, 92 minus 89 3, 98 minus 92 6, 100 minus 98 is 2. Next, ready made, these are cumulative frequencies, I told you, cumulative frequencies, you should write the full form, cumulative frequencies. Otherwise with these frequencies also we can get it. 2 before nothing is a 2 will be 2. 4 plus 2, this 2, this previous 2 plus this line 4 is 6. Next, previous number is 6 plus this number is 18, that is 24. Next, previous number is 24 plus in this line frequency is 21 is there, that is 45. Next, previous is 45 plus in this line 33 is there. 45 plus 33 is 78. So previous sum is 78 plus in this line frequency is 11, that is 89. So previous sum is 89 plus this is 3, that is 92. The previous sum is 92 plus in this line 6 is the frequency, that is 98. Previous sum is 98 plus in this frequency is 2, that is 100. If you are observing, if you are adding them, 2 plus 4 6 plus 18 24 plus 21 45 plus 33 78 plus 10 80 8 plus 1 89 plus 2 92 plus 6 98 plus 2 100. So total frequency is 100. This is tallying matching with the cumulative frequency ending value. That means our table is correct and our frequencies and cumulative frequencies also. You can observe 2 6 24 45 78 89 92 98 100. 2 6 24 45 same numbers. 2 6 24 45 78 89 92 98 100. 78 89 92 98 100. That means in the beginning only I told you these are the cumulative frequencies, not the frequencies. How we are identifying? This ending value is matching with the total number of people, total frequency. That's why easily we can identify whenever below word or less than 20 like that words are there. That means at that time they will give cumulative frequencies but not the frequencies. This is the identification technique. Next, once this table is clear, remaining everything is same as our first question. What we need to do? First we need to find out the median class. How to identify the median class? Here n value means total frequency. N value is total number of people. How many are there? 100. That implies n by 2 will be 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is 50. So this 50, more than 50, how many values are there? Let us see. This is less than 50, less than 50, less than 50, less than 50, more than 50. This is more than 50, this is more than 50, this is more than 50, this is more than 50. In all these values, which is just bigger to 50, just bigger than 50 is 78. 78 straight towards class. 78 straight towards class is 35 to 40. That means this 50 lies in which class? 35 to 40. 35 to 40. Therefore, median class is declared now. Median class. So what is a median class? Median class is equals to 35 to 40. So median class is declared. Once after declaration of median class, next we can write L. L for lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class. Median class lower limit. So in this median class, left side value is lower limit, right side value is upper limit. We want only lower limit. So the lower limit is 35. N by 2 value is clear. Next, H. H means class size. H, class size. Class size is, every class size you can observe that difference is 5, difference is 5, 5 difference, 5 difference, 5 difference, 5 difference, everywhere 5 difference is there. So class size is 5 only. After identifying the class size as 5, CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the class. Don't write median class cumulative frequency. We have tried cumulative frequency of the class preceding preceding the median class. So median class, preceding class, cumulative frequency. Preceding the median class. Median class preceding means before class. Median class before class is 30 to 35. That one cumulative frequency is how much? 45. So the CF value is 45. Next, F for frequency. F for what? frequency. F for frequency. Frequency of which one? So many frequencies are there. We want frequency of median class only. Median class. So frequency of median class. Median class is 35 to 40. That one straight towards frequency is 33. So this 33 we have to write it as F. Next we need to write the formula. Median formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. Those all values, L value, H value, these all values we have to substitute in this formula. L is L for lower limit, that is 35, plus means plus, bracket open, n by 2 value. N by 2 value is how much we got? N by 2 is 50. 50 minus Cf. Cf value is 45 divided by F. F value is 33, bracket close, into H. H means class size. H is 5. This 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 by 33 into 5. 35 plus 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 33. When you divide this 25 with 33, what will come? Let us see now. So we are dividing 25 with 33. So 25 is not divisible by 33. Be very careful, denominator is more than the numerator. So always the numerator will come here, the denominator will in the divisor place. So this numerator will come in the dividend place. Some students will write 25 here, 33 here, not like that. Denominator always divisor, numerator is always dividend. 33, 25 is not divided by 33, so that we will keep a point. So when you are keeping point here, it will come here 250. 33 how many times? 250, let us see. 33 7 times. 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23, 231. It is less than that only. 33 8, let us check. 33 8 times 8 3 times 24, 8 3 times 24 plus 2 26. 264 is crossing 250, so we need to find 33 7 times only. 33 7 times is 231. So out of 250, 231, if you are subtracting, it's borrowing. 10 minus 1 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1 only, 2 minus 2 is 0, 19. 19 is again not divisible by 33. So if you consider the point here, 0 will come. 33 how many times? 190, let us see. 33 5 times is 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, 165. It is less than. 33 6 times, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. So 198 is crossing 190. So we have to take 33 5 times only. That is 165. So out of the 190, if you are subtracting 165, you will get 25 only. 10 minus 5 is 5. 18 minus 16 is 2. 25 is again not divisible by 33. So if you consider the point 250, it is 250 means it is 33 7 times only. 7 times 231. Again 19 will come, then consider the point 0, same repetition will be there, 0.7575, like that it will come. 35 plus 0.75 matlab 0 point, the meaning of 0.75 means point before nothing is there, so you can put 0 7 5 7 5, like that it will repeat. Next, this repetition approximately I wanted to take 0.757. If I consider nearest round figure is 760, so that 0.760 extreme 0 is there, so I can write only 760. If I write extreme 0 is there, that 0 can be avoided. Point after extreme 0 we can avoid. Point after extreme 0 we can avoid, so that is why it is 0.76 only. So 35 whole number to be added with the whole number only. This 0 is not required. So 35 plus 0 is 35. Point after 76 is there, that 76 we have to write. So this is the related to age. So I am writing, they are asking us to find out what, calculate the median age. So that we will write median age is equal to 35.76. Since it is age is in years. This is the end of third question.